Grow these fragrant flower plant easily from cuttings in monsoon. Hello and welcome my friends. Hope you are well. Now you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardener's Gardening. Today, I'm going to talk about how to grow cuttings of fragrant flowers. Follow my techniques and tips, and you can also grow them very easily. Monsoon is the best time to grow any plant from cuttings because there are some parameters like moisture, humidity and temperature, which help good root development and promote the growth of new plants. Rainwater is blessing for plants, but you have to save new cuttings and tiny plants from heavy rain and waterlogging in soil. Number 1. Grow rose plant from cutting. It is really very exciting to grow a new rose plant from cutting. Cut 6 to 8 inches long mature rose stem in 45-degree angle. Remove lower leaves and scratch 1.5 inches from the bottom. Cut portion with a knife, then dip into plain water, and then dip into rooting hormone, or honey, or aloe vera gel, or cinnamon powder, then plant in cocoa pit. Maintain moisture of a cocoa pit for root formation. Place the pot under partial shade, and don't move the pot here and there. Wait for 15 days, you will see new small leaves coming out from this cutting. This means root formed well and your plant will grow well in future. Number 2. Grow mogra plant from cutting. I think mogra is the best fragrant flower which grow from cutting. Take a soil mixture with 50% garden soil and 50% river sand. Take 6 to 8 inches hard stem cutting, cut at 45-degree angle at the bottom, scratch 1.5 inches with knife, remove all leaves except the top 2 to 3 leaves, dip in water and then in any rooting hormone or honey or aloe vera gel, then plant in soil, water it thoroughly and place under shade, where it gets light, but not direct sunlight. Always keep the soil moist but not soggy and don't shake the pot. After 15 days, you will see tiny leaves start to develop from the cutting. It can take some more time, but definitely it will grow successfully. Just wait and watch. Perseverance is the key to success. Number 3. Grow gardenia from cutting. Take 6 to 8 inches hard stem cutting from a mature plant, remove all flowers and leaves, except top 2 to 3 leaves, cut at 45-degree angle at the bottom, and scratch 1.5 inches with a knife, then dip into aloe vera gel or rooting hormone, and then plant in soil mix of sand and soil, about 2 to 3 inches, as the cuttings don't get a chance to tilt or bend. For the first time, you can apply water mixing with turmeric powder or any fungicide powder and keep the pot in shady area. Water the soil from time to time to keep it moist always. You will get 100% success rate in this technique. Number 4. Grow oleander or carnel from cutting. Take 6 inches pot, fill the pot with a soil mix with 50% garden soil and 50% fine river sand. You can mix little bit turmeric powder or fungicide powder with this mix. Collect about 6 to 8 inches mature hard cutting, then cut at 45-degree at the bottom with the help of a knife, then dip this portion in aloe vera or rooting hormone and plant it in soil. Before this, remove all leaves from this cutting, except top few leaves, and then press the cutting in soil about 2 to 3 inches deep, and tighten the soil around the cutting with the help of your hand, as it gets stand fix. Water it and keep the pot under shade. Monsoon is the best time to grow oleander plant from cutting within 1 month. You may not get success in other seasons. Number 5. Grow plumeria or champa from cutting. Wear a gloves before. Cut the plumeria cutting from a healthy mature plant because of its sticky sap. Cut about 12 to 16 inches cutting and let them dry out in a warm shady place but not under direct sun. A kalass forms at the bottom when it gets dry. Remove all leaves, dip the cut portion first in water then in rooting hormone about 2 inches portion, then plant in a well-drained soil, about 4 to 5 inches deep, otherwise it can't stand steadily. For soil mix you can take 2 part garden soil, 1 part perlite and 1 part vermiculite. Otherwise take 50% soil and 50% sand, it is a perfect sandy soil. You can also grow cutting only in sand, if your local soil is muddy enough. but don't use compost to grow plant from cutting. Place the planter in shade of other plants so that it gets humidity from them. It helps good rooting and it is a top secret of mine. Wait for a month, you will find new leaves start to develop. Then you can slowly move the plant toward bright sunny spot, but not before that. The process is same for Nag Champa and Swarna Champa. Number 6. Grow Harshinga or Parijat from cutting. Cut 5 to 6 inches semi-wood branch at 45-degree angle with a cutter. Remove all bottom leaves, dip the cut portion in aloe vera gel and plant the cutting in soil. Mix 1 teaspoon turmeric powder or fungicide powder in 1 liter of water and water the cutting thoroughly and keep under shade. You will get 100% success in monsoon. Only you have to keep the soil moist always in its growing period. When the plant grows enough, you have to shift the plant into larger pot. Then you can add compost for further growth. Number 7. Grow Chandani or Togger from cutting. It is really very easy to grow Chandani plant from cutting in monsoon. If you take transparent see-through plastic bottle or glass container, you can see the root development journey. First, make some holes in your pot, then fill the pot with sandy soil. Collect 6 to 8 inches top flowering branch from a mature healthy plant. Your healthy plant means the plant which is not infected by any disease. Remove all lower leaves, dip the bottom part in rooting hormone or in honey or in aloe vera gel, and directly plant in the soil. Water it thoroughly, keep the soil always moist and you will see new root formation within a month. Apply turmeric water to keep it healthy and safe from fungal attack. Don't cover the cuttings with polythene bag or by anything. Keep it open to get natural environment moisture, humidity and light, and little bit rainwater also. But take proper care always and save the cuttings from heavy rain, direct sun, fungal and pest attack. Always try 5 to 6 cuttings for each plant. If you get 100% success, it is good enough. But if you get 70 to 80% success, don't get upset. Grow more and more cuttings in June, July and August. For these 3 months the weather condition will help you. Following the same process, you can also grow hibiscus, Raat Ki Rani, Allamanda, Juhi, Chameli, Clematis. And don't forget to grow tuberose from bulb also. When all these plants grows and give you fragrant flowers, you will congratulate yourself and get motivated enough to grow more plant from cuttings. Hope you are inspired enough to start to grow plants from cuttings and utilize the monsoon season. You may now understand that why gardeners always wait for monsoon. If you like this video, then press the like button and share to your friends and relatives. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get regular notification of newly published videos. See you soon in our next video. Till then, stay blessed. Thanks for your time.